Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. On a day like Janmashtami, you all find time to be with us. So we're grateful for you and your interest that you're showing in our program and the platform that we have created. This is an important platform. As you know, there are about 50 plus people here, and in the last two batches also we had about 50 plus and 70, about 120 people plus 50 now. About 170 to 180 people we have reached in our endeavor to try and reach as many people as possible so that the message of this platform can be spread and people can understand how to operate. So at Explosive, we are extremely grateful to all of you for coming in, and the platform is very friendly, as Mr. Suraj Dhawan will explain. He's the and also Sailesh and all other people. So we look forward to a good interactive session. So may I request Suraj to start with the presentation, please?
Thank you, sir. Good morning, everyone. On behalf of Texprosil, I once again give you Janmashtami greetings. All of us are here to understand how to make the best use of the Texprosil Indexpo platform. And I will run through the process of how to create your booths today. Thereafter, we will also talk on how to do the meetings. At any point of time, if you have any doubts, please feel free to send a message on chat and we will try to answer all your queries there and then. This would be a very interactive session. So whatever doubts you may have, please get them cleared now. And if at any later date also you need some special support, me and my colleagues, Texprosil team, everybody is here to help you. I will share the screen now and then we'll get started. See, all of you would have received login IDs through Texprosil. If you have not received, please tell Texprosil, they will send you the login and IDs immediately. The first step to do this is to sign in. So using the login and IDs given to you, you can log in. So I'm trying to log in a dummy account for you to see how things happen. So when you log in, the first thing which you see is your unique dashboard. This unique dashboard will subsequently tell you how buyers are reacting at your booths. If you look at the interactions, these are the various people who have come to your booths. It will subsequently tell you what products they have seen, what products they have favorited, whether they have requested meetings or not. So this is something which will take shape once the buyers are invited on board. But looking at this, at any point of time, if you see a serious buyer, you can send him a message the way I was trying to show you. And you can also try to fix up a meeting by putting up the fix meeting button. So all these things are available with you, but we will keep this for later discussions so that we are currently focusing only on creating the booths. So the first step which all of you need to do is to click on edit profile and the entire thing opens up in front of you. The first step is called general, and over here you need to put up your company logo. It's again very simple. Your logos are there in your system. You can just put a logo which you wanted. If this is the logo, for example, you can create this and then the logo comes into place. But don't forget to save at any point of time so that your logo and everything work which you're doing remains intact. Every time when you do, it will show you processing and it will say successfully edited. If you have got any of your social media accounts, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, you could put those as well. Again, absolutely simple. You just put here and you are in business. The second tab is called Company Overview, where again, you can put in any text messages which you want and you save it. And this is how your company overview will look. Third tab is called Product Categories. So these are various product categories which Texprosil has created for you. So we would request you to only select the categories which are relevant to you. The reason is that Matchmaking will depend on these product categories. So it is vital for you to select the categories which are important for you. Fourth tab is called company video. Company video is your corporate video. To do that, we would urge you to first place all your videos on YouTube and give an embedded link from there. For example, I'm on YouTube right now. I will go to TextProsil just to give you an illustration. And for example, this is the video which I want to use as my corporate video.
2 decades.
So what I only need to do is I need to click on share,
textile industries.
click on embed, copy the embedded link from here. I just need to copy the embedded link and place it here. And in 1 second, the video is already updated. Using this, you can put your corporate videos. There are no challenges on that at all. At any point of time you want to change videos, you can put fresh videos. Please ensure that your notifications are all green. Then we have got this thing called marketing content. Marketing content are brochures, images, which you would like your buyers to download. Again, adding is easy. You go to media file, go to any products which you want. You can add anything that you want. If you want to add any images, you can again go to your images, add any product you want. So all these things are added in by pressing of a button. It doesn't take much time. Whatever you are doing, it is added instantaneously, and whatever you are doing is added on your corporate profile instantaneously. So there are no challenges on that at all. If there are more than one team people from your company whom you want to add, you can add them as team members. If you are only going to use one common email ID for getting notifications, then do not add team members. Because if you're adding someone, there is also always a possibility that buyers will approach them. So only add those people whom you know will be looking at their emails and responding them regularly. You also have the option of changing passwords. If you want, you can change them. No challenges on that. Second category, which is most important, is product catalogs. So adding product catalogs is absolutely easy. We just need to click on add a product, which is on your right side. You need to add as many images you want. I can just add an image. For each product, you can add five images. For each product, you can add five images. And the way I'm doing it right now, you can see this. The system will ask me what is the best image. I can confirm. I can make whatever this is, range 2021. I need to add the product category. Maybe this is my shirting collection. I save this, and then I can say 100% Indian organic, whatever you want. And likewise, I can add 5 products. I can also embed a video here, the way I embedded a video in my earlier thing. So again, I need to go to my YouTube channel. I need to embed a video, and this is done. It is absolutely simple to do this. The way you are seeing this, it is a matter of 10-12 minutes. And at any point of time, if there are products you don't want everybody to see, or you want to first upload the products, you can always inactive certain products, and they will go to your inactive zone, the way they are here. And at any point of time, these are inactive, but if you want to make it active, you can by the press of button make these active. How you have done your booths, if you want to see how your booth looks, you can do a preview profile the way I'm doing it right now, and you can see how your booth is looking. Okay. And the way I mentioned, you are free to change as many times as you want. You are free to do things as many times as you want. I would like to stop here for a few minutes. We will take some questions here and then we'll carry on further. Shailesh will stop for 2 minutes. If people have questions, let's answer them. Then
Yeah, sure. There's nothing on chat so far. No question on chat.
I would like to ask Shailesh.
Yeah, please go ahead, James.
Surajji, team members, we are not able to add team members. Any specific reason?
Sir, I'll have to see whether the allocation has been given on TextProSale or not. I will look in the backend. Shailesh, if you can tell us what is their eligibility.
No. I see. Basically, the team members can be. See, we are giving basically two packages. One is for a single login, and the other one is for double login, which is 25,000 and 30,000. Now, in the 25,000 package, James, you will get one login. Okay. But you will not be able to add members because that is only a single login. But using your login, which is given to you, other people from your team can go in one by one, in the sense that if let's say, if you have scheduled meetings between 14 to 18 September, and you wish to attend about 10 meetings and want another of your team members to attend another 10 meetings, based on the difference in the slots, then you can do that with a single login. In a double login, what happens is you get the benefit of adding another team member to the meeting room. So you can have two options where two of the sellers can meet a single buyer, or at the same time slot, two independent meetings can take place. That is one seller with one buyer and your other team member with the other buyer. So these are the options which you get when you are taking a double login. In a single login, there is only one login which is given to you, but your team members can use it only one at a time.
I feel TextProSale has not informed properly what is the difference between a basic package and the premium package. You know, you will have to, I would prefer if you can just give more details about what is the differences between both of them. Because everybody knows, I don't know if anybody else knows, but what Mr. Suraj is showing and what we are able to do is completely different, I feel.
Okay, let me explain to you.
One second, Mr. Suraj.
Yeah.
When we are talking, let's clear the doubts. No?
Yeah, we will clear the doubts in one go.
Yeah, give me 1 minute. I need 30 seconds more, please.
Thank you.
So what I mean is, it is better if you can just, it should have come in the mailer. It has not come, but I would still prefer if you can just give us more details. Because हम कुछ भी करने जा रहे हैं वहाँ पे सपोज अटक रहे हैं हम लोग जब फोन करके भी पूछ रहे हैं तो then we are also not. So I would prefer that those who are attending all get the same clearance. What are the difference between these two packages, and what a premium person will be able to do more than what a basic person can do. Thank you.
Shailesh, would you like to answer this?
Yeah. So James, once again, as mentioned in our mailer, the difference in the two packages was the availability of extra meeting time that you would get through a 30,000 package, because you get a double login. Now, yes, what was shown in the previous session when you attended, when Suraj mentioned that you can add team members. Now that happens only when you get a premium package. So yes, you are correct when you pointed that out, because in a 25,000 package, you will not get the option of adding a team member. But in a 30,000 package, you get the benefit of adding one more team member to your group, who will also get the alert when you do the meetings.
Good. So the point is, what I meant, even if I take a premium package, I am only able to add one more person. Not
yes.
Add 5-6 team members. See, what Mr. Suraj is showing is that you can add unlimited number of team members.
Sir, I've never mentioned that.
No, but when you are adding, you have already added 3 people, sir.
Sir, it's only a demo which I have done.
Yeah, in your demo, you are showing, Surajji, in your demo, you are showing 3 people.
So I stand corrected, sir. I'll go for 3 people.
Listen, Surajji, 1 second. I understand. See, we are also doing virtual for the first time. So please understand our point. When you are showing us 3 team members, in the back of the mind, now I am having a question was why I had a fight with Shailesh on this. I will tell you. that when you are showing me 3 team members, okay, I will update to premium. Then whether I am able to add 3 members, then again the question comes. So I think it would be better what we can have a little bit more clarity on the team members part. This is a small request. I am not a problem with the number of adding. I will not be going for team members. Better to have a clarity on our part. Thank you.
James, Suraj will clarify the whole thing. Whatever questions you have asked, he will clarify now. So all the clarification you will receive.
See, if you have taken a basic package, then you would not be able to add team members. You will be getting one single email ID. On that single email ID, you would be able to do meetings on required basis. By mistake, maybe at the time of giving previous demos, I've added team members. So I will remove those team members. I will not show them in subsequent presentations to have greater clarity. Thank you for pointing this out.
Yeah, one more question, Mr. Suraj or Sailesh, whoever can answer. In this, what I understand, or I may be wrong, please clarify the doubt. It is a doubt basically. What I understand is in a basic package, you get 50 meetings. And in a premium package, you get 100 meetings. Or is there any something different? Please let me know.
Okay, let me explain to you from very beginning. There are no meetings guaranteed on a virtual platform. There are no meetings guaranteed on a virtual platform. Buyers are able to request meetings with sellers. Sellers are able to request meeting with buyers. When both of you say yes, a meeting takes place. Both of you have to agree on a time and a place. If both of you say yes, this is acceptable, then those meetings can be scheduled. This is how meetings will take place. Nobody is giving you guarantees of so many meetings will take place. What we are saying that maximum number of possible meetings are these, maximum number of possible meetings. When you are going to request meetings with buyers, when buyers are going to request meetings with you, this is theoretically the maximum number of meetings which are possible.
What is the number? Maximum number?
Sailesh,
so like James, right now we are looking at a 6-hour B2B slot every day. So which means that with half an hour slots per session, you can have 12, potentially, theoretically, you can have 12 maximum meetings in a day. And over 5 days of the exhibition, it would be 60.
So Sailesh, you have to clarify for one email ID, 12. Yeah. So if I take 2 email IDs, yes, I get 24.
Double, yes.
Just say that, please say that. Yeah. So what is the advantage of having an additional email? You can have additional meetings. If you want 3 email ID, well, that also provision can be made. Somebody can do it. So Sailesh, you will have to give that. So one email ID is for one person, because after all, there must be some discipline, no? Today I gave one email and then tomorrow half an hour some other email. So in order to have one tracking the whole thing, to give one email ID and register under one email ID, that guarantees you the basic set of meetings, which is, as he explained, half an hour meetings of total for the period. So Sailesh, there are some
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So James, so basically, when you are having a single user login, you can have, like, let's say if you're looking at 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. as the 6-hour slots during the day. So with half an hour sessions, there are 12 meetings that any single person from your company can do per day. Okay. So into 5 means 60 meetings. Now, if you have a double login, that means a person from another remote location can also be a part of the meeting. So you can, the number of meetings then just get doubled. So you are looking at potentially 24 maximum meetings in a day when you have a premium package, and into 5, then you're looking at 120 meetings in total.
Okay.
And another thing which I am saying, that there is no limit on chatting. You would be able to chat and send messages to all the buyers. So there is no limit on that. Those are open 24/7 basis. So whenever buyers are onboarded, you can chat with them, whether you're doing meetings with them or not. Okay, does this clarify?
Surajji, one more question. I understand. Basically, if a buyer comes in, we will not be giving him showing the contact details, right? But what are the details you will be able to show us?
About the buyer or about the
Yeah.
seller?
About the buyer?
Okay.
So
So
I have to manage myself, so then I will come back what is it is. But I would like to understand, because if I need to contact one buyer, I am mostly into yarns.
okay, just give me 2 seconds. I will show you the buyers. There was another question about LinkedIn details. Some people were unable to upload LinkedIn details. Maybe you are uploading your LinkedIn private profile. We request you to create your LinkedIn company profile and it can be uploaded. I've just uploaded my company detail to show you. Let me show that to you, and then I will also show you what the buyer sees and what you see in a buyer. Give me 1 second, sir. So some people wanted to understand how to upload the LinkedIn profiles. So this is my LinkedIn company profile. So you have to copy your here, the way you see company Falcon Exhibitions Private Limited, and then you go to LinkedIn and just copy your company profile, the way I've done it now, and you save it, and your company profile is uploaded here. If you have not created your company profile, you could do it. It is free. It's a matter of 2-3 minutes only. So I've just, as you have seen on this demo platform, I've added my LinkedIn profile. Second question was that what you see in a visitor. So when you will see a visitor, there are no visitors right now in the system. So I am not able to show you a visitor, but let me see if I can show you in a dummy platform. Okay, 1 second. So when the visitors will be onboarded by TextProSil, for example, this is a visitor, which is a dummy visitor right now. So if I show this visitor to you, if I click on this, these are dummy visitors, so they'll be cleaned now. So in this, you will be able to see the visitor, what products he's writing and what activities they have. All these things you would be able to see in your visitor. For example, this is another visitor which I've created as a dummy profile. So what products he wants to buy, what is his designation, what all things he has given, you will be able to see this. You are able to favorite him like this. You can do him a message like this. Or if you want, you can straight away request for a meeting like this. So all these things are built within the system. When you are sending a meeting request to a visitor, you can even highlight the products which you want to talk about. The way you see, I am highlighting the products which you want to talk about. Okay. UK range, this is what I'm saying. Online meeting, the way I'm doing this, 30 minutes is the duration, 14 September, maybe 15:30. So I do a booking request, book my time. This would only be confirmed when this guy is also able to confirm to you. Otherwise, this will show as pending in your meeting schedule. It will show as pending in your meeting schedule. And like there are some chances where visitors would send you a meeting. If you see this, this is the meeting request I have received. If I confirm, it is shown as my confirmed schedule. So as and when buyers and sellers are confirming each other's meetings, so these would be shown as confirmed schedules or pending schedules. Does this answer your question, James?
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, so any other questions? There are 2 more questions. We'll answer these now. So Paramount, sir, what I would do, let us have a separate session with you. I will send you an invite on Zoom account. Let us help you upload your social media accounts directly. Please, I will fix up with you a separate session so that we can help you to put your social media details.
There's another question from Hitesh Suraj. The feature to add unlimited product shots with 5 images for each photo. So what does this mean?
So we will share the screen again. So Hitesh, these are your product catalogs which you see here. Okay. So you can add products here the way I have shown you. And for each product, you can have 5 images. For each product, you can have 5 images. For example, I'm choosing this as one image. Then I'm choosing this as the second image. So I can do 5 images per product like this. And then I can say signature range. I can add categories. Maybe this is home textiles. I save and I can say signature range home text, whatever I want to write in this. And I can save this. I can start with 2 photographs. I can go later anytime and edit these photographs, add, remove, etc. For example, these are the photographs which are there in the system already. I want to change my raw cotton images or I want to write something. I press on this pencil button. These are the images which are already there. If I want to add or remove, I can do this by pressing a button. If I want to remove a photograph, you see this bin or whatever it happens in real life, these things are already there on the system. Yes, sir. Any other questions?
Yeah,
One more question is do we have any designated person for the
to set up the uploading?
Yeah.
See, Miss Manisha is there from our team. If at any point of time you need any help, you can ring up Manisha and she can give you 1:1 personalized guidance on how to set up your booth. Manisha, if you could write your mobile number on the chat, people can just note it down.
Okay, sir.
So you can write to Manisha, telephone Manisha, then she can send you a Zoom link or you can send her a Zoom link. Our team will immediately come on Zoom with you and guide you.
Got it. Thank you.
There's one, when we take a package, would Texprosil also send out an email and all contact details to all the members who have registered?
See, maybe Texprosil will give you the buyer data after the show. So, Sailesh, you can tell your policy about the buyer data.
Yeah. I mean, generally what we do is the list of the buyers who have attended the particular event, we give it at the after the end of the show. But here, when you're saying to all the members who have registered, you mean the buyers only, right, Amit? Amit, you can unmute and seek any clarification from what we have just answered.
Yeah, hi. Good morning to everybody. I was just trying to say that when we're saying that the details, basically we would be looking at all the buyer details.
Okay.
To be sent out to all the members who are either registered or who are a part of Texprosil, or how do we take care of that? Because some people who are not taking the package, would they also be given the same buyer details or not?
Generally for these RBSMs, what we do is we give a list of the buyers who have attended the event after the show has ended. We collate all the data which is available and we send it to all the exhibitors who have registered for this particular event.
So this would be limited only to exhibitors. This would not be for general circulation.
It will not be for general submission.
Yeah.
First round, it will go to the exhibitor.
People who have registered, yes.
I'm sorry, I did not hear that properly.
Processors, do you like to say something? Are there any queries?
No, I did not hear that. You said some half of it what?
No. First round, it will go to the exhibitors. The second round, it will go to everybody. We will share it with all members of the council. But first, it will go to the exhibitors who participate. You know, there will be a time lag.
What is the time difference that you are showing over there between?
That will take, because after all, let us be clear, those who participate have the first right on the information which comes on this platform. It's very clear. We'll give about 3 weeks or a month's time lag.
Are you saying that only after 6 months that data would be shared, or?
No, I didn't say 6 months. I said 1 month. All right. From the time the show is over, it will be given first. I think immediately after the show is over, in about 5 days' time, he will give it to all the participants, as far as I can see. And after that, all the other people who did not join in but would like to take advantage of the people who came on this platform will have to wait for some time. There'll be a time lag of at least 2 to 3 weeks before it is universalized. It will first be given to the people who come to this platform. And then after a time lag of 2 to 3 weeks, we will release it for everybody's benefit, because it's a transparent system. I mean, we are not sitting on information, but there has to be some process here. Those who have subscribed to it and want to do business will have the first look at it. And then with a 2 to 3 weeks difference, it will be universal. It will not take 6 months. You'll be rest assured about that. Now I was just asking these young ladies from Orient Processors, why don't you ask a question or two? Is there any issues you have? Yeah, please go ahead. No, apart from a good step, any queries? I want you to ask questions. Please ask questions.
There's one from Sandeep Shah.
Yes,
Sandeep,
I wanted to answer your question.
Ek minute, let the girls come in.
Yeah,
From Orient Express. Suraj, you want to say something?
Yeah.
Sir?
Bataiya, we've given the first right to these girls to speak. Please go ahead. Tell us.
We just wanted to know about the time slot.
Sorry?
We just wanted to know about the time slot will be allowed for the buyer meetings and
Currently 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. Shailesh?
yes, currently it is 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. ma'am.
India time.
Like if you have seen the screen which Suraj just showed you, it
Yes,
shows
sir.
the dates of 14th to 18th and from 14 hours onwards. So that is 2 p.m.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
You can
You're
chat.
welcome.
Can I add one more point here, Shailesh?
Yeah, yes, sir.
No, I'm just saying that 2 to 8 is what we have started because we are
Yeah.
looking at the entire world, right from the Far East to, let's say, US and beyond. You know, the time zones are there. Our effort will be, we are working whether we can open it wider, cover a larger part of the world, or even go for 24/7, you know. So we will try to do that. We are working on that platform. We will be able to work with Suraj and others. Objective is to try and get n number of people interested so that they deal with you here, or even you can deal with them later. You know, after once a contact comes, the office can always get in touch through the email and other things. So we are working on that. But currently, the announced time is 2 to 8. So we will try to keep it a little more
Yes.
open for a little more time. Shailesh, we're working on that.
Yeah, yes, sir. Definitely.
We'll work on that.
Yeah,
So,
Suraj,
there was a question
there's,
by Sandeep.
yeah.
Sandeep, if you look at the marketing content, you can add any media file. And as you would see, PDF files are here. So we can add media files and PDF files here. No challenge on that.
There's a
But please
question.
bear in mind that marketing content is a downloadable area.
Yeah, Suraj, there's a question from Radhika. After 8 p.m., we can browse on customers. Also, after 8 p.m., can we request any meetings?
See, you can request meetings on 24/7 basis. But when you are requesting meetings, you would be able to ask for time slots between 2 p.m. and 8 p.m. India time. But you can request for meetings, chat with buyers 24/7. There's no limit on that.
Yeah. How are we advertising about the virtual expo so that we get the maximum buyers on the table? Yeah, Hitesh, see, we have already started our bio promotion since the last 2 days. We've already put it out on our Texprosil social media, all the handles. We have our own Intexpo social media handles. So we are generating traction over there. And also we have writing to all the Indian missions, the embassies, the Consulate General of India offices, the high commissions all over the world. And we are also touching base with the textile associations which are there in each of these countries. So we are writing to them and publicizing about this show. And plus we have our own large database of buyers to whom we are also promoting the same. And we had a confirmed list of about 150 buyers who were supposed to come for our March show, but unfortunately that got cancelled. And they have shown a keen interest to once again visit and check on the Indian suppliers. So those are also another category of buyers who have already confirmed their presence, and we have already written to them to kindly come and register on our platform.
And you see, if you have
Link be shared, especially for FB, LinkedIn, so that we also join and we also share it with our contacts.
Sure. Yes, definitely. It is already out. I will write out the links which we have here on the chat section, and then you can reshare and retweet.
Got it.
Yeah, thanks.
See, what we could do, Hitesh, you know our website in-texexpo.com. On the homepage itself, there is a link called please register as a buyer. We would really appreciate if you could give that link to please register as a buyer to all your buyers so that they can register directly.
No charge for that, right? For buyer registration.
There are no charges for buyer registration.
Okay, got it.
I'm coming back to Mr. Siddharth. You said that the list is going to be available only 5 days after the show is over. On every single day, which are the buyers that have logged in or which have registered? Can we see them prior to that? Because it doesn't make sense for us to get a list after that.
Let me answer this question. See, once the buyers will be approved by TextProSil, there would be all the approved buyers you could see on the platform. All the approved buyers, you would be able to see the platform. You would be able to see their profiles. You will be able to message them. You will be able to fix up meetings on 24/7 basis. What
So
you
that
will
will
not be able to see are their email IDs and contact details. That what ED sir mentioned will be given to you after the show is over.
Why can we not have that prior to the meeting? Just because there is a possibility that somebody may not be on the platform at a particular time that I want to contact somebody. And if I'm going to get that later on, it doesn't make sense. So if I could have that prior to the meetings or whoever have registered, at least I can send them a mailer saying that this is who we are, and then take it up from there. Let them respond to it and let them get onto the platform.
See, all the buyers who would have registered would be there on the platform. There are certain data privacy rules of GDPR. That is why we are unable to share you the email IDs and mobile numbers upfront. But you can chat with all the buyers and tell them this is your product, this is what you want to do. All the buyers have registered themselves. There is no forced registration. There is no indirect registration. So we are reasonably sure that they want to interact with you.
Yes, but they may not be on the platform at that point of time.
See, the buyers, maybe TextProSil will open the buyer-seller chatting 1 week before the show, so that you have got 1 week even before the show starts for interaction and fixing up meetings. It is not that it will only open on 14th. Challenge and ED sir will decide when they are opening for buyer-seller interaction. It will at least be 3, 4, 5 days in advance.
I don't know, let me clarify and summarize this for you. Now, the first point he made was all buyers will get registered on this platform. So that will be available. All the sellers who are participating in this, their profiles have been loaded on this. That is number 2. So the buyer, when he fixes a meeting, he looks at all your profiles. He will look at all the people on this platform and then see who is with whom he can have a meeting. Now, number 1. Number 2, all these sellers are looking at the buyers. They can have a chat with them, discuss with them, and therefore that is open to them. And number 3, the meeting is fixed by mutual convenience. He wants to meet you and you also want to meet him, then there is a login. Then you freeze the time and date and then you meet him. So that is the way it will work, because after all, this is a virtual event. It will have to follow some logarithm, it has to go step by step. So therefore, in order to make it on a one-to-one basis, if there are 300 buyers floating around and there are 75 exhibitors, now every exhibitor is chasing every buyer. Now the question here is that you will know who's the buyer who has come to this platform. You can have a look at him, but his email ID, phone numbers, the kind of mail that will go to him, he will simply log off and he'll just go away. So there is a data privacy rule which will have to be followed. So therefore, what happens here is that the information of all buyers will be available to all the people who register here. Then the meeting is fixed by mutual convenience and mutually agreeing to the meeting. He may just look at all the profiles and say, okay, I want to meet these 3 companies, may not like to meet the other companies. So that's a choice that he makes, depending on the products, depending on what he wants to buy from India, depending on the profile, depending on his experience, various factors. So, so therefore kindly understand the methodology which is in place here. This is a virtual event. All exhibitors are registered. All buyers will get registered. All buyers' information will be available. As Suraj is saying, 1 week or 10 days prior to the show, we will open it up so that you can chat with them or they can come and then you can fix up. It's not as if by 16, 17 you will have the information.
Essentially, yes, Suraj, I think he clarified, because if it is available prior to the meeting, then it makes a lot of sense.
No,
Because
it doesn't. I mean, I'm with due respects. Prior to the meeting for everybody, it doesn't. You will be able to see all the buyers there. So it is there, and
Yeah,
the call
sir,
is going on for fixing a meeting.
ED sir, I will like to run a presentation right now to explain this further. This will clarify all your doubts. I will run a presentation. Please understand that if the email IDs and mobile numbers are given to all the exhibitors in advance, each one of you will write to each of the buyer, and buyer will get 150 emails each, and they'll get confused. I will now run a presentation which will explain it to you further. Okay.
thank you.
And again, if there are any doubts, please stop me in between, because it is for your benefit only. Okay. So can you see the slide now? Okay. Can you see the slide?
Yes.
So you see, at this point of time, I'll just quickly run from the beginning so that you understood. Start
step by step.
So as you understand, you need to sign in. You have set up your booth. That's okay.
Yeah.
Then you can create your profile. We've just explained to you. You can add videos. We've explained to you. You can add brochures. We've explained to you. Product catalogs. We've explained to you. So this is the part which we have already explained to you. Okay.
Perfect.
So now each one of you gets your individual dashboard. Correct? In this dashboard, after the buyers have onboarded, you will get to see something like this, where it says that which buyer has seen your profile, which buyer has liked which product, whether they have requested meetings or not, send meetings. So this is already there on your system, where each buyer, if he has chosen to look at your booth, you get this intelligence uniquely to yours, that how the buyer is reacting to you. Thereafter, there's an AI-based matchmaking, where given the profiles which you have and given the profiles which buyer has mentioned, it will show you which are your top buyer matches. Top buyer matches. Then you can favorite it, you can send a message, you can do a meeting request. It's already built in the system. You also have.
So what is the logic for this matchmaking?
See, you are selecting certain products. The buyer has also selected certain products when they are filling up their application forms. So it is matchmaking. Thereafter, whenever the buyer is coming on the platform and whatever products they are seeing, the system will try to identify that he started with home textiles, but he's also looking at cotton fabrics. So they will also include cotton fabrics, and they'll recommend them.
Just come in for a minute before you go. You see what he said now, how in matchmaking, suppose you have cotton yarn. You say fine count yarns, organic cotton, and give various types of explanation. He may be interested in organic cotton. So he will try to see, okay, this profile matches with what I would like to buy. So that's how the matching will take place. So the matchmaking takes place on the product line. Suppose I'm looking for certain types of line, blended yarns or melange yarn or something like that. I will then take that on board, and that's how it will come. Okay, right.
So you also get to see all your buyers who have registered and approved by Texprosil on this delegate sheet. It is not there right now because there are no buyers who have been onboarded and approved. Okay. Then whenever you like this buyer, like for example, you like Anna Apte, you can send a chat request, you can request a meeting request. But at Anna Apte, you can see what are her activities, what are her interests, so that you know exactly whether you should contact her or not. So you have a meeting, you have a message. We will always request you to send a message first so that you fix up with meetings of people who are genuinely interested. So you send a message to introduce yourself. Cool. And then on your dashboard, all these things will be there, that these are the people to whom you are talking. And when you fix up meetings, you can fix up meetings. When you are doing a meeting request, you need to write the subject, you need to write what product you're doing, what products you have. You can also upload your PDF brochures if you want, so that they know exactly what you are showing them. Okay. And then you need to propose a time of the meeting, which is from 12 to 8 p.m. Whatever the times have been fixed up with TextProcess, from 2 to 8 p.m. So once the meetings have been confirmed, on your schedule, you will see these as confirmed meetings. As you see on your schedule, you will see these as confirmed meetings. And on the day of the meeting, 10 minutes before, you will see this sign called join room. You can go inside the meeting and attend the meeting 1:1 over here. Over here, during these meetings, there is already a chat box, so you can chat during the meeting as well. And if you have shortlisted any products, then those products are also there in this. Can you see this fasteners or garden tools? So these were the products which you had shown them. So they're already there when you are having this meeting. I'll stop here for a minute and then we'll take questions again. I hope this answers your question.
Yes, it does. Thank you very much. Just one last question. Is it possible for us to log into the site now and to see if there is any improvement that TextProcess could do on their side to make it more user-friendly for both the buyer and the seller?
See, you can only log in as an exhibitor, which you're already doing.
Okay.
And you see, with due respect to privacy, we cannot give you a buyer login. Otherwise, you can see all the other exhibitor booths also. Currently, you cannot see an exhibitor booth.
No, we don't want any exhibitor booth. Any dummy booth that can be created prior to, before the registration takes place, so that people can just log into it and see if there are any improvements that can be done on the website. Like, for example, what products what we are doing and what categorizations that they are, can we narrow them down? Can we put in an extra category, things like those?
Amit, if there are any suggestions, please share them with TextProcess. If any category needs to be added, it can be added in a 1-minute job. Adding is not very complicated.
And can we see the categories anywhere right now? Or can we just get a link?
No, you see, when you fixed up, when you are looking at your products, all the categories are being shown to you. Let me share the screen with you again. Okay. Can you see the screen again?
Yeah.
1 second. So I'll sign in. Okay, sorry. Can you see the screen again?
That's right.
So all these categories are already here, which you people have already selected and shown. When you are fixing up any product catalog, so all the categories are there. So when you are setting up your booth and fixing up a product, these are already here.
Okay.
And these categories have been shared with buyers.
Okay, fine. Thank you so much.
If you want to make any changes, we are always ready to make changes.
Thank you so much, Surajji.
Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah, there is a question. A seller can be a buyer also. I think this is also a takeoff from what we had discussed last time in the last session. If you want to purchase any fabric from some buyers, can one seller connect with another seller? Yeah, see, as of now, what we have kept is we have kept it open for people who wish to, those who are as sellers also, they can also register as buyers for the particular event, so that they can have a look at the other exhibitors. We have kept closed the exhibitor to exhibitor view, but if there is somebody who wishes to look at buying something else from another exhibitor, then he can come in as a visitor.
But it needs an approval from TextProcess.
Yes.
You'll have to give a valid reason to give an approval, for sure.
When we speak about meeting, is it a video meet? I think this was just shown, right? Is it a video meet or what, and how does that happen?
Okay, now for all of you who would like to experience video meetings, we have a dummy site, which is not the TextProcess site, but it is called a dummy site, where all of you are invited to fix meetings with us over schedules, and we can show you how meetings will take place. But we cannot show you on the TextProcess site because this has got fixed dates. Down the line, maybe in 1 week from now, 2 weeks from now, we can fix up meetings on the dummy site. All of you are invited, and you can reach out to Manisha. We'll fix up meetings on the dummy site to make you comfortable. So that is already there with us, and maybe over a Saturday, we can do these meetings on required basis so that you guys are comfortable. Any questions?
No, I think that's it in the chat section. There's one more which has come in. Can we organize the product listings the way we want, or it will change every time automatically after if we update any product?
So Shubhra, products are shown in alphabetical manner. So a lot of our exhibitors would like to do a range called double A so that it always comes first, followed by double B or double C. Maybe you could do that as well.
So I think you can proceed, Suraj, with that meeting part.
So I will run the presentation again so that you understand how the meetings will take place. And please stop me anytime if you need to understand this. Okay. So as you would, once you would be in the system, when the buyers have uploaded, you would be able to see the buyers, if they have done any activities with you. You will be able to see AI-based matchmaking. You can see the profile of all the buyers. And if you would like to contact any buyer, you have this message or meet on that buyer page. You could do that. And if you would like to send a message, you can connect with that buyer. It's very simple, very interactive. And if you are fixing up a meeting, you can upload any of your products which you wanted to show during that meeting. So that you want to talk about cotton fabrics, furnishing fabrics. So whatever you want, you could do it here. And you can propose time of meeting. And once the buyer is able to confirm, you will get this as a confirmed meeting, the way it is being shown here. And if the buyer has not confirmed the meeting, you can always send him a message that I've sent you a meeting request, kindly confirm. On the day of the business meetings, you will go to your schedule, you will see what meetings are happening at what point of time. You can join meeting room, you can enter the meeting. Please ensure that your camera is on, your mic is on, your speaker is on, and whatever products you have selected will be seen here. You can share the screen during the meetings. You can run videos very much like WebEx or Zoom. And whatever products you have selected, you can see this briefcase, and this is there inside that. I would be more than happy to run private sessions with all of you to do virtual meetings in a demo format. We can agree on a date. I can fix up meetings. You can be a buyer or a seller. We can show them to you as per your requirements. Yes, Salish.
Yeah, if there are any questions on this from the participants or any other question also in general. Hitesh, we have put up the links that are there. You were asking for links, right? So we
Yes,
have
I have
put it up
copied
in
that.
the, yeah.
But I would urge that if you could send them the meeting request link, which is there on the Indexpo main page, let them do that buyer registration directly using that link.
There's a question from Rasesh. Can we get list of members because we are merchant exporter and looking for cotton manufacturer for USA, Australia, and other European countries? I think this was just answered previously, right?
So Amit, TextProsil has also already created a WhatsApp group contact where all the TextProsil members are already there. So if you want to chat up with them, you can just introduce yourself in that group also.
So the buyer which are shown in the brochure, what you have said just now, is there any categories also that these are the shirt manufacturer or these are the shirt buyers?
See, buyers will indicate what they want to buy. You know the product categories, the same product categories, the buyers will indicate to you also.
No. Suppose I'm just browsing a buyer's section. So can I see only the shirt buyers which I'm interested in? Or
You can do that.
Achha, it is there. Okay.
You can do a filtered search. Any other questions?
Is there any dedicated business promotion facility for exhibitors in their area of product?
So Nikhil, if you could unmute yourself and explain this.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, we can hear you, Nikhil.
Hi, Nikhil.
Yes. Hi. Yeah, I would like to know if there is a dedicated business promotion. Likewise, I belong to Sitaram Spinners, so we are specialized in CSY yarn, coarse spun yarns. So as the India Texpo website launches, so will there be any facility provided by Texposil that a pop-up message will flow to buy good quality CSY yarn? You can contact Sitaram Spinners, or to buy good quality cotton yarns or PV dyed yarns, you can contact this mill, that mill. Is there kind of, likewise, you have this kind of promotion in your Texposil original website?
See, there are some sponsorship options which Texposil is building. They'll share with you.
Okay.
So there are certain sponsorship options.
Yeah.
So
That
Raj
I am-
will share with you.
Yeah, we'll share that.
Thank you.
I think just to come in on this, pop-up Sejo, we'll try to see how to build it. We are working on that. So there's some of these things which are being mentioned by you. We'll take it up. Suraj and Shailesh, we'll
Yes,
have a
sir.
look at this, huh?
Yeah,
Yes, sir. So there are sponsorship options. Shailesh ji will share with
We'll
everyone.
share it with you, right? Thanks.
yeah.
So any other questions, please feel free. And you already have my number, Manisha's number, entire Texposil team's numbers. Whatever doubt, don't keep it with yourself. Put it on the chat group, telephone me, telephone Shailesh. Do whatever so that we can sort it there and then.
Have you taken up all the questions on the chat, Shailesh?
Yes, sir, we have taken up. And all those who have requested to be added, I think my colleague Brunal will add those numbers onto the WhatsApp group immediately.
Any other questions, please? Please feel free to ask and we'll clarify. Put them on the WhatsApp group also later.
Or you, even if you wish to ask, you can just unmute yourself and ask the question.
Any other query? Any other questions? Anything else to be said?
No, sir, the category available for cotton yarn, can we create subcategory like organic yarn, BCI yarn, fine yarns? Yes, you can create that, Sridharan, because that
No,
is
you
there
see,
within
what Shailesh, what he's saying, do you want to create it in the master category?
No, he's saying a subcategory. So what we'll have to do is he'll have to choose yarns, and then when he's showing his product images, he can write there in that short description, organic yarn,
In the
BCI
description,
yarns.
yes.
Yes,
In the description, yes.
yes,
Correct.
yes, in the description, yes.
See, I would urge all of you to start setting up your booths in the next 2-3 days. And if you have any problem, just contact us. We will definitely be able to help you.
I think we've set up
I
what
think, yeah, about 80-85% of them have completed their profile, Suraj.
Okay.
There are still a few which Manisha is following up.
So what we could do, if all of you want to do some dummy meetings, we can agree on private sessions. There are about 50 of exhibitors only. So we can agree on private sessions and we can help them, everybody 1:1.
Yeah.
That'd be my pleasure.
I think we request many more to join in. I mean, the platform is going to develop as it is developing. You can see it's a good opportunity and it's one way of being in the world, you know. So the contacts will go, the world will look at you and you will also look at most of the people who come in. A large number of people we expect to join in this as we see, because the marketing that we are doing, the kind of linking we're providing, there is a lot of enthusiasm. Already we are getting reports that business is slowly picking up. Right, yarn has picked up, home textiles in US seem to be picking up. So this is just about the time and momentum for business is building. So it will be a good idea to place yourself on this platform and reach out to the world. So I would urge everybody, those who have still to make up their minds, you are welcome, ask more questions, get clarifications, but try to take the step of joining in. So it will be a good idea to come in. It will not only test the strength of this platform, but it also give you an opportunity to talk to the world. So these are the things I wanted to say. Or there's one more question, I think, from TT.
I think Nikhil Goyal has asked a question. I want to ask is that, are you arranging any sample display arrangement in some specific country for business promotion? Like we will submit what is that, Nikhil? Some Five.
Fixed.
Okay. Fixed number of samples of fixed products to Texprosil, and you will send them to specific country. So buyer can have the live samples.
Nikhil, this is better that samples are sent to your interested buyers directly.
That, yeah.
All countries are huge and buyers are spread all over in any country. So putting a display in New York or Las Vegas will not be very sensible because no buyer is also traveling. They would also be in their home cities or hometowns.
Yeah, sir, can I say something?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, in this regard, I want to say that like we are touching almost buyers in every country. So some majority of buyers may be unknown to us, and if we discuss with them, they will definitely demand samples. So if Texprosil made some arrangement that you like Sitaram, you particular decide 3 or 4 products which you want to send samples. Give us the country name in which country you want to send. If we have arrangement, we will send your samples to there, and our embassy or associate over those countries will keep these samples, and when buyer approaches them, they will provide these samples. Ultimately, at the end of the day, the buyer comes to samples. So it will be delayed. Right now, if we can prepare this manner also, it will be a great help.
So I think if I can come in on this, idea is a good idea, but you see, what you heard, what you have stated in theory looks very good. But if you involve associations, embassies and all that, you see they have their own protocols, procedures, COVID practices, parcels are being delayed. So there are many other measures since this COVID thing is all over the world. So, it will get delayed there and it will lie somewhere. So it's better that one deals with the buyer directly with a minimum of interface, you and your buyer, and the goods which are supposed to reach him. Because the protocols which we are seeing, even samples, there are difficulties there. There are some goods being quarantined somewhere. Some packet will lie for 3 days at the corner. Then he will come back to it. You see, the times in which we are dealing is something which is making it difficult for us to physically deal with the buyers across the table or quickly send samples and get a response. That's why virtual medium is created. Pictures are being poured, videos are being poured. You can do a video call with him. You can show him around your sample with you. Description can be shared, so that almost exact shot of feeling the fabric or the fiber or whatever, you are able to get a idea of what we are doing. And since if we promise to deliver what we are showing, then there should be no difficulty in sort of almost 99% getting an idea of the product. और फिर वो तो फिर आप कुरियर कर ही सकते हैं बाद में, takes its own cost. वो मेरा एक advice है, because we are really dealing with a lot of difficult times,
Yeah.
And things can get stuck at any point in time, at any place without notice. So we will then get a lot of difficulties there. So therefore, I would urge upon you, let's use the virtual medium to its maximum. Put all our good pictures, good write-ups, good videos, and you have a good idea about pop-ups, some additional ads, so that people get an idea by in kya hai. So we'll create that. So that gives you within the virtual format. We do that, and once there is a good contact established, and there are some discussions which are leading to some business opportunity, then we can move in that direction. So मेरा ये आपको सुझाव है. So you would like to consider this. This is my view. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
And one more suggestion to all is that in your descriptions, kindly be very brief and to the point, because don't give too much elaborate information. Just give things which are specific to that particular product, so that the buyer can just skim through it very quickly and get an essence of what exactly the product is, what are its end use applications, etc. There's another question. Can we change the package in between from basic to premium? That can be done, sir. That is flexible, because there's no issue in that. It can be done.
See, what we could do, I think if the booths are being set up, we only need to train our members in how to do meetings. Shailesh,
Yeah.
I will fix up some dummy meetings and let people contact me 1:1. We will fix up.
Sure. That will be great.
Yeah, because we don't need a mass medium. We need actually 1:1 training for that.
Yeah. I think that will be good.
And anybody, any help, I'm always there. Manisha is there, Shailesh, Mrunal, everybody is there to help you. This is a new world, new reality. Let's get used to it. We'll definitely learn some things through interactions. We'll definitely make mistakes, but then we have to move further ahead and make progress.
Yeah, that's one. That's a good point.
Yes.
And finally, kindly upload your pictures or your logo and others so that when the promos are going out, when the embassy sees it, when the buyers are seeing it, when associations are seeing it, they will quickly look at it. By Concon is, which are the companies here. So your company must be there in the first shot. So at least they will catch. Later on, the detailing can be done. Oh, this company is there. What are they quickly doing? They're doing yarns, fabrics, home textiles. Kya hai? So now you must, because the participants are very much a part of the promotion. When we go out into the world, they want to know by कौन लोग हैं इस participation में. So we have to tell them these are our companies, these are the people, their logos are here, their pictures are there. So everybody is advised to as early as possible, please, because it helps in the promotion. When it reaches all over the world, they will know, all right, 60, 70 good companies are there. They may select you in the first shot itself. Okay, these 8, 10 companies I want to meet. And then therefore, they could then make up their mind. So my plea to everybody is kindly upload. Any difficulties in filling up the, uploading your company profile and step by step. Mr. Suraj is there, Manisha is there, Shailesh is there, Mrinal is there from our office. They're all there 24/7. They will help you. And as you said, one-on-one you want, अरे भाई अभी बताओ जल्दी कैसे मेरे को करना, please help me step by step. So we can come with you, hold your hand and get it done. मेरा पर्सनल अपील यही है कि kindly put your profiles, because that profile will also enable us to attract the buyers, because everybody will like to know, since it's a virtual thing, who are the people, what do they sell, what are the good things, what are the new things available out of India. Okay, I'm looking for some of these new things. So kind of have a look, try to put that the newer varieties which people are looking for. With the times are changing, trends have changed, whole world has undergone a change. So we like to reinvent ourselves and try and put it across. So my appeal to everyone here in the platform and those who are not there, kindly, if you share it with them, you tell them that it's need to come. So 50, 70, about 70 odd exhibitors, if we have the profile, then it's a robust, platform. So that means there are a large number of people. But they'll say otherwise, अरे आपके यहाँ से 15 ही आदमी आए. We're targeting 300 buyers or 200 buyers. We must at least have a proportional number of sellers from our side. So otherwise, it's an imbalance, So it creates an imbalance in the entire arrangement. So my plea to everyone, those who have logged in and have paid, have participated or prescribed to this, we will help you if you have any question. Those who are still sitting on the margin or sitting on the edge or trying to make up their mind, my appeal to all of you is that quickly make it up, because it's not a very expensive thing. Apart from that, exposure is there. Plus, your presence on the platform will also add to the the robustness of the platform, because buyers will see who are the people, and this is an electronic medium. You can simply click and find out. And if I click into profile A and I can get many details, then I'll feel, yeah, this is a good fellow. Let me try and reach him. And when the show begins, or he will already try to write to you. Look, I've already seen your profile. We'd like to talk. So all that can happen. So so therefore the virtual medium is something which is opening up many doors, and which you're not able to imagine as we sit here today. So once again, I'd like to say that. Any other points?
Yeah, there are two more questions, sir.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Our request is to provide or show category-wise suppliers to buyers for their easy selection, as this will help them to fix up meetings with respective suppliers suitably. I think Suraj, you have just answered that earlier, right? Where the buyers can meet suppliers and suppliers can see the buyers' details.
Absolutely.
Then there is one from Sandeep. Can we fix a meeting post-exhibition?
See, once you start chatting with the buyer, the whole world opens up with you. Buyer may share his mobile number with you. They may do a separate Zoom meeting. So the role of Texprocil is more like an enabler to help you do good business. We are opening doors with you. What you will do thereafter, and I'm sure you'll do great things thereafter.
Who was that? Who had a good laugh?
Sandeep ji is having a laugh on his own. Yeah, Sandeep.
Yeah, it would have been great if you would extended the facility to have the meeting post exhibition, at least 7 days post exhibition.
No, but you see, once you know the buyer and the buyer knows you, you can fix up your private Zoom meetings, WebEx meetings.
That's true.
So,
But everybody would like to have the meeting on the platform which has been provided by the tax process. That's a better platform.
no, but you see, Sandeep, the platform is available from 14th to 18th. We will most probably open it 7 days before for you to start interacting with buyers. And I think 10 days will be a very good interactive time. 10, 12 days, what TaxProceed has created for you.
Okay, it's okay. It's okay.
Yeah, 10 days is a good time. And there's a dashboard, as he explained, all information is there. So those who have seen you and liked you, those who would like to have an opinion, everything is there. You just see the dashboard. So it's not as if somebody escaped you. You had to look at it and then he falls, because after all, this is by clicking. You're clicking on a computer or on whatever it is, on an instrument, and then you're setting up. So all that is going by the click. So therefore, the dashboard is quite explanatory. All the buyers registered are available to everybody. All the sellers are present there. So there is an interactive forum open for 5 days. And there is a time of 2 to 8 or whatever, but 24/7 you can still meet them. It's always the exhibition is on. You try to see whether time limit can be increased. So the possibilities are immense. I mean, the question is, you are very much there. I mean, and he's also there, and more people will join in. So I think as a platform for after 5 days, it can become a fatigue can set in. Some people are doing only for 3 days. Many of our other councils.
You see, whatever you are doing, after that, whenever buyer sends you a message, you are getting an email anyway. So you see, the idea is to make you build up relationships. And I'm sure very strong relationships will be formed up with this.
He'll also come on your email ID. You can always say, we'll talk, take it out, that can be done. And that is a limitless possibility. So that's how the whole thing has been created by the team. So any other point, Salish or Suraj,
nothing. I think that's it.
Any questions? You can come in again. We'll have one more session if you like. I don't know how many sessions you want, but we will keep sessions on. There's a WhatsApp group available. There are individual requests for meetings you want. They will help out and we will create for you. If we want another meeting like this, we can have. So now we can answer queries. Now it's a question of all those who are interested in participating should sort of get onto the platform and start, one by one, step by step, loading up their profiles. And then the more profiles come, the more it goes into the world. The more the world knows how many people are participating. The embassies will know, the associations will know, the individual buyers will know. And you are my word. It's going to be flashed right across the world. And there will be a lot of people interested in India, as you know, because India is now emerging as a very strong sourcing base for various reasons, which all of you are aware of and all of you are familiar. There is a lot of interest in India in the textile sector, and our potential, as you all know, is enormous. So we can really provide to the world. So let us make a beginning with this. My appeal to everybody is kindly make the most of it. We are available. We'll do one more if you want. Any number of them you want, we can do these sessions. But make up your mind, get onto it, one-on-one, start upload. And the apprehensions, queries, buyer आएगा कि नहीं आएगा, हमें देखेगा कि नहीं देखेगा, हमारा मीटिंग होगा कि नहीं होगा. Well, all that is part of the realm. But वो dashboard में है, that you will see.
Order से आए.
हाँ बताइए, Sandeep Shah, anything? Sandeep Shah, you want to say something? So Shailesh, then I think we can wind up if there's nothing much.
Wind it up, sir. There are no more questions.
So thank you very much. You are always welcome to approach me directly or Manisha, and if I will be putting links for people to have 1:1 meetings on the platform. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, Suraj.
Thank you.
Thank you, everybody.
Bye bye.
Thanks to everyone.